going to do a swatch video of Royalty Nail Supplies. I got a few acrylics from them. So I got S14, S16, S1, S43, and S49. So I love the texture of these acrylics. They are similar to Zoev acrylics, I would say, in texture, but just easier to work with. You basically just pick up your bead and then you need to hold it on your brush for a little bit to let it fully soak up the liquid. And then when you place it on your nail, instead of swiping it, you are gonna wanna pat it. So it's definitely a great acrylic for a one ball method. It is a bit on the drier side, but I think that's easier to work with. It stays where you put it. So I highly, highly recommend it. So with that being said, I am using my s&mnailcandi monomer. I already have it out here in a dappen dish. And I'm just using an old brush that I have here for some swatches. And I'm gonna swatch it on this paper right here. This is a dental bib. I've been using these lately. I absolutely love them. I got the idea from Michelle's Mayonnaise. They are so, so good to use instead of paper towels. I just cut them into little pieces like this and they're absolutely perfect. So with that being said, let's get started. So we are gonna start with the color S49. I'm gonna make sure, because I tilted it over, just make sure you give it a good shake there. So this is S49. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pick up my monomer here. So we're gonna wanna totally saturate that, and there you guys can see. Whoop, just let me fix this for a second here. Okay, so I'm totally saturating my brush there. You guys can see, pressing down. And I broke all my other dappen dishes, so I'm gonna have to get some new ones. So going like that, and then wanna tap this side out, like that. Okay, then we're gonna go in to get that little hair off. Gonna go into the color. And again, this is S49. I'm gonna go straight into my color. Ready? So you're gonna tap, tap, tap. Flip it over. See how that's polymerizing right there? Picking up that liquid, so you're gonna wanna wait a little bit until, see how it gets shiny? That's when you wanna place it down. Place it down right here for you guys. This is S49. Look at that beautiful purple color, absolutely gorgeous. So that is S49. Gonna close that up. And this is the Royalty Nail Supplies. Gonna pop that right there so you guys can see. Royalty Nail Supplies. All right, so our next color, we are gonna go in with, I'm gonna try the lighter colors first. So this is S14. Make sure we get all that powder down. And I do find that some are a little bit easier to work with than others. The pinks were really easy to work with. Again, pressing down, do you guys see that? Pressing down, wiping away the liquid here completely. Hang on, let me change this a little bit so you guys can see better. So getting all the liquid complete, like just like that, the back, right? And then going in, tapping. 1, 2, 3. And that third one I hold it a little bit longer. And then we're gonna wait for that brush to get, and I like to tap it like this just with my nail here on the back. Kind of speeds it up a little bit, but you guys can see it getting shiny now? See that? And then we're going down, okay? So pressing, and then releasing. See, that one had a little bit more fallout than the other one, but pretty good. Alrighty, so this is like a really pretty maroony color. Really like that one. And then we're going in with our next color. I'll place this here. We'll just put that to the side. So going in with the next color, this is S1. Opening it up, And this is like a hot pink color. This one was a little bit more difficult to work with. The key trick that I found, if it's like too pigmented or difficult to work with, mix it with some clear, really helps. So again, I'm just wiping off from the back, see? And then taking the side that I didn't wipe, going into the powder, and then I'm going in 1, 2, and you guys can see how my brush is kind of tilted there, 3. Picking it up. And then you don't want to use it when it's this texture. So you want to wait until it completely gets shiny. So again, I'm tapping the back of my brush here a little bit until you guys can see it starting, not yet. This one takes a little bit longer. Oop, and it just popped off my brush. That's okay, I'm picking it back up. Okay, so now the texture is shiny and we're gonna pop it right on, okay? Right on there, press and release. And this one does marble a little bit, but nothing that you can't work with. This is the pink color. Okay, next color, and this was the only one I found that marbled. Next color we're gonna go, I just wanna make sure that I close the lids well on these, right? So you don't have any spillage. Next color we're gonna go in with is the red one. This is like a brown red. This is S43. Okay, gonna go in, same thing, press that, and then wipe this side, remember, 1, until there's very little liquid. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in, you guys can see how my brush is like at a 45-degree angle, and then 1, 2, 3. Hold that there until it becomes shiny. So now it's not ready yet. Keep on tapping the back of your brush, and with these they can like fall off the brush, but you can just pick them back up. They still work, if that makes sense, what I mean by falling off the brush. So holding it there. Again, this one I told you took a little bit longer than the other ones, but it is getting there, it just takes it a minute. Almost there, keep on tapping, and see how it's kind of smoothing out. Almost there. I want it to be totally smooth. Oh, see, it popped right off, but that's okay. Look at, I'll show you guys. It's right here, I'm just picking it back up, see? That's totally fine. So we're ready to swatch that. So place it right there, press down on it. And that is a nice swatch of that color. See? It's a really pretty like red, almost like a, has a bit of a burnt orange kind of color in it, but it's a pretty red. Then we are going in with the last one. This is a blue. So definitely I think the S43 and the S16, this blue one, I think just mix it with some clear and it'll pick up much easier. But these two ones picked up really nice. So again, this is S16 going in. Same thing, and you want to make sure that it's kind of flat, your powder. It just makes it easier. Okay, so same thing here. See, let me see. Got out of frame here. Sorry, bringing this back down a little bit so you guys can see better. Pick this up here. Okay, so same thing. I'm just gonna lower down my monomer a little bit. Okay, so I'm dipping, see I press down, then from the back side, I'm wiping, wiping, wiping. Okay, these need to work pretty dry. You don't need a lot of monomer. Then 45-degree angle, I'm down here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you guys can see it's gonna start to change, see? When it picks up that liquid. See, this one picks up much easier than that red one. You see how quickly it got shiny? And then that's so beautiful. Look at that bead. That means we are ready. See, press down right here. Press and release. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. That one was really, really pretty. Okay, guys. So that is it for my swatches for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I was using the Royalty Nail Supplies here. I'm gonna go over them again. Here we go. And I really, really like the texture of these. Again, they are on the drier side, but like I prefer now to kind of pat my acrylic, and these work perfectly with that as long as you're patient with them. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can see the beautiful swatches here. And make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.